This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Chubb round body padlock that I restored a few months back. It came to me as a completely rust-covered hulk that I decided to refresh since Chubb is no longer making locks, at least not under that name. To give you an idea of what it looked like when I got it, this is the original shackle after spending a day in a bath of evaporust. Since most of the parts were not salvageable, I decided to replace them with parts off of a Schlage lock that was made in the same Taiwanese factory. It turns out that the Schlage core has extra drill protection, so it's a bit of an upgrade, though that certainly wasn't my goal in restoration. So let's pick this open. There's really no point in gutting it afterwards since it's not the original core. If you do want to see what's inside one of these Schlage cores, I gutted one a long time ago in video number 177. I'm going to be using this 50 thousandths thick ergo turner and the standard hook from the Genesis set, both of which are available over on covertinstruments.com. Click out of 1, click on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5, or 6. Back to the beginning. Another click on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Click on 4, nothing on 5. Click on 6, and I think I felt it drop into a little bit of a false set. Okay, 2 is binding. Little counter rotation there. I think we got 2 set. Nothing on 3, 4, 5. Click out of 6. We have our false set back. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, little counter rotation on 5. Click there. Click on 6. Got our false set back. Okay, and 6 is giving us counter rotation as well. I think we got 6 set. 1. Okay, counter rotation on 2. And we got this open. Okay, folks, when this was made, it was a fairly average entry in a very crowded market of round body padlocks. It only got restored because of the name and its relative scarcity, but it's also for those reasons that I'm pretty happy to have it in my collection. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.